This is a CryoHeat engine for a Polaris Pro R with a little over 800 race miles on it, and it's still looking new. We have a video of Roger Norman running this engine on the pavement at the Baja 500 for a torturous 3 minutes between 8,600 RPMs and 9,700 RPMs, most of it in the 9,000 range. Insane. Unfortunately, we've had no time to test this car other than on the race course or on the dyno, so everything is at race pace and 800 miles on this engine. This is the first piston rod assembly coming out. The break-in material with the number 2 size stamp are almost perfect, like it's never been used. This is before we had our titanium rods in stock that we now use for building our race engines. What you're looking at is a stock rod that we have completely trimmed down, CryoHeat treated, micro polished, and totally balanced within less than 1/100th of a gram for all 4 rods. So here is the journal that this rod came off of, and it looks untouched and totally new. This short video is to give you an idea of how we build engines at CryoHeat.